In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do to get your first freelance client fast. I'll break down the step-by-step system that helped me go from zero to my first $45 clients in just 30 days and eventually scaled to over 10 million naira freelancing. If you are tired of watching your connects disappear and getting ignored by clients, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to land your first clients even with no experience, no portfolio, and no reviews. I'm Anointed, and if this is your first time here, I teach broke students how to escape financial dependency through freelancing. No fluff, no scam, just real strategies that work. I've completed over 80 jobs on Upwork, made $7,000 on the platform, and over 10 million naira freelancing in total. But here's the crazy part. It all started when I was just like you, completely broke and desperate. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button for more videos like this, because I'm about to give you my second best strategy for free. And trust me, people pay thousands of dollars for this information. Let me guess, you've been watching freelancing videos for weeks, even months. You've applied to dozens of jobs on Upwork, Fiverr, Facebook groups, and maybe even LinkedIn too. Your proposal gets delivered, you see little check marks, but then nothing. Complete silence. Meanwhile, your connects are disappearing faster than your motivation, and you're starting to think maybe freelancing is just another online scam wasting your time. Sounds familiar? Well, today I'm going to show you the exact system I used to go from rejected and ignored to landing my first clients in 30 days. And more importantly, I'll give you a 7-day action plan that you can start implementing today. Literally today, to land your first high-paying clients this week. But first, let me tell you about the day that changed everything for me. Because this one mistake I almost made could be costing you clients right now, and you don't even know it. Stay with me because I'll reveal exactly what that mistake was in just a few minutes. Picture this, it's 2022 and I'm a broke Nigerian student, probably like many of you guys watching this right now. I heard about this thing called freelancing where people were earning in dollars from just their laptops. And honestly, I thought it sounded too good to be true, but I was desperate. I was tired of asking my parents for money, tired of having 500 naira in my account and pretending everything was fine. So I created an Upwork account, and guys, I thought I was going to become rich overnight. I spent the first week crafting what I thought was the perfect proposal. I mean, I used big grammars, fancy words, I even added emojis. I was so confident. I applied to this one job, a simple logo design job, and I knew so well that they were going to pick me. The next morning, I woke up, checked my phone, and nothing. No response. Okay, maybe they are still deciding, I told myself. Day 3, still nothing. And by day 7, I realized a painful truth that I was completely ignored. Here's where things get interesting, because what happened next completely changed my perspective about freelancing and showed me the real power of this business model. Quick shout out to Flink777 in the comment section, who said one of my videos encouraged him to apply for more jobs on Upwork. Guys, I love you all so much, and seeing your wins literally make my day. So keep the comments coming. But I didn't give up. For 30 days straight, I applied to job after job. Video editing, graphic design, content writing. I was desperate and applying to everything. My connects were running out and I was starting to lose hope. Then one day, I saw this job posting from a boxing YouTube channel. They needed a simple video edit, not fancy, just some cuts and transitions. The pay, $45. Now, most people will look at $45 and think, that's too small. But I was broke. Remember, $45 was like 50,000 naira to me. I applied with a completely different approach this time. And guys, this is the mistake I almost made that I mentioned earlier. Instead of talking about myself and my skills, I focused on them. I focused entirely on their problem. I watched their channel, understood their style, and wrote a proposal that showed that I actually cared about their success. 2 hours later, 2 hours, I got a message. Hi, Anointed. We'd love to work with you. Now, here's where it gets interesting. That $45 job turned into something much bigger. But I'll tell you about that game-changing moment in just a bit. First, let me break down the exact system that got me the first clients, because this is exactly what you need to implement today. The first thing you need to understand, and this is probably the reason why most of your proposals are getting ignored, you cannot be a generalist. So many of you message me and say, I can do video editing, copywriting, social media management, data entry, virtual assistant. Stop. Clients don't trust that. Think about this. If you needed brain surgery, would you go to a doctor who say, I do brain surgery, heart surgery, plastic surgery, dentistry, and I also fix cars on the weekends? Of course not. You want the brain surgery specialist. I picked video editing and committed to it for 30 days. Not because I was passionate about it, but honestly, I just wanted to make money. But I committed to becoming competent enough to deliver results. Here's what you need to do right now. Pick one high-demand skill: video editing, copywriting, graphic design, social media management, or virtual assistants. Just one. Then give yourself 30 days to get decent at it. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on being good enough to solve someone else's problem. And guys, if you are thinking, but Anointed, I don't know which skill to pick. If you're one of them, I want you to comment the word profile. Comment below, comment profile, and I'll create a dedicated video where I will show you how to pick the right freelance skill according to your interest and the demands of the market. I respond to every single comment, so don't be shy. The second thing, and this is where most beginners fail, your profile looks like everyone else. Generic title, generic description, and no portfolio. Clients can smell a beginner from miles away. Here's exactly what I did and how you can copy this strategy for me today. I went to Upwork and I searched for the top video editors in my price range. Not the $100 per hour experts, but the $10 to $15 per hour freelancers who are getting consistent work. I studied 5 to 10 freelance profiles like I was preparing for an exam. I looked at their job titles, their descriptions, and their portfolio samples. Then I opened ChatGPT and said, help me create a unique profile based on their successful examples. I didn't copy, I modeled what worked. The third piece of the puzzle, and this is what most of you are getting wrong. Your proposals are all about you. I am a skilled editor with 2 years of experience. Delete that. Nobody cares about you until you prove you care about them. Here's my proposal template that got me that first client. And guys, I'm giving you this for free. Most freelance coaches charge $500 plus for this information. You can download my complete proposal template in the link in the description. The structure is simple. 1. Hook. Mention something specific about their project or channel. 2. Solution. Briefly explain exactly how you can solve their exact problem. 3. Proof. Show relevant portfolio samples. 4. Next step. Make it very easy for them to say yes. For that boxing channel, I cannot remember the exact proposal template I sent, but I have a better alternative for you, and that's in the link in the description below. So I delivered the first video and honestly, I was nervous. What if they hated it? What if they asked for a refund? But you know what happened? Not only did they love it, but they came back with 3 more projects. $45 became $120 in just few weeks. But here's the real game changer, and this is why that first client was so important. They left me a 5-star review. Suddenly, I wasn't a beginner anymore. I was a freelancer with a proven track record. And before you know it, I raised my rate to $15 per hour and then $20. That $145 job opened the door to everything that came after. Today, I charge $100 plus for similar work, all because I was willing to start small and prove myself. When I withdrew that first $45 on Upwork, I remember thinking, is this real money or is it just another YouTube tutorial promise? Sincerely, that moment changed everything for me. But guys, let me warn you about the biggest mistake I see beginners make, because this will keep you broke no matter how good your job proposals are. Mistake number 1, waiting for the perfect opportunity. Stop it. Apply to 3 to 5 jobs every single day. $10, $20, $50 jobs. Get those first reviews, then raise your rates. Mistake number 2, underpricing yourself forever. I also made this mistake when I started. Yes, you can start low to get reviews, but don't stay there forever. After 5 successful projects, increase your rates. After 10, increase it again. Your goal is progress, not staying in the beginner zone. Mistake number 3, trying to compete with established freelancers on bigger projects. Stay in your lane initially. Small businesses, new YouTubers, startups, they need good work at reasonable prices. That's your market. Alright, here's exactly what you need to do in the next 7 days to land your first client. I call this the 7-day first client challenge. And if you follow this exactly, you'll have your first freelancing income by next week. Day 1, pick your skill. Video editing, copywriting, graphic design, just pick one. Then you need to spend at least 4 hours learning the basics. Day 2, continue learning. Watch tutorials and practice with free tools. Don't aim for perfection, aim for competence. Day 3, create your Upwork profile. Use the strategy I just shared. Study successful freelancers and model their approach. Day 4, create 3 portfolio samples. You don't need any real clients yet. You can create sample works that showcase your ability. Day 5, buy 100 connects. It will cost you about $15 and it's a good investment you can make yourself. And then start applying for jobs. Use my proposal template from the description below. Day 6, apply to 5 small jobs. Focus on new clients with no new reviews. They are more likely to hire beginners. And in day 7, follow up on applications and deliver amazing results. And don't forget to ask for reviews. This works because it's focused, it's fast, and it skips all the overthinking that keeps delaying people. Also download my free proposal template that helped me earn over $7,000 on Upwork alone. The link is in the description below. These templates alone could be worth thousands of dollars to you. Remember, your first clients could be one proposal away. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting until you are ready. Stop waiting for the perfect opportunity and start today. Comment, I'm ready, if you are going to implement this 7-day challenge. Because I want to celebrate your first wins next week. So if you are serious about your financial situation and you want a step-by-step framework that shows you exactly how to build a freelancing career that pays you in dollars, I've created a complete playlist that takes you from absolute beginner to landing high-paying clients. You can click the playlist on your screen right now to view it. Subscribe if you want more real freelancing strategies.